Lamborghini bumper's in the van still. Give me the van. Let me bring the bumper in because they're gonna steal it, and I gotta put my furniture inside.
Is that sweet?
Yeah.
They don't even fix it.
Who gave you this vehicle? Or you stole them?
I stole them.
There's a $7,000 bumper in the trunk.
This is a real van.
How do you forget to take this out, man?
So why are you making a big deal out of it? Why are you making a scene out of it? If you know, so I don't get him. He knows the bumper have to be worked on.
Let me tell you the situation with this bumper.
Yeah.
So we're upgrading from a regular Lamborghini to a Lamborghini S bumper. This thing has to be ready for wrap. It is ready for wrap, but the problem is some portions of this bumper have to be painted black.
So I told him bumper is not ready. It's have to be painted. It's like no. Primer the bumper. Give it to me.
This bumper came this way. It's not even primer, you dumbass. It came this way.
We didn't primer
this bumper, you idiot. How fucking dumb are you?
Okay, this bumper is primer. We did.
We didn't primer this bumper.
We did.
Marvin prepped it for it.
We don't use this primer, one.
Dumbass.
Second, we did prep it here.
We didn't
But
primer
it came
it.
with other primer because
Yes.
it's PCL primer, we use PPG primer. So that's not our primer. So
Is the bumper primer or no?
Hey,
not by
changed-
us, though. It's
Hey,
not
he just changed his word.
Yeah.
He always does it.
He just said we primed it. We didn't prime it.
Okay,
It
let's
came
go
primed.
ahead.
Okay, close the door. Okay, wait. Don't you have to move this bumper?
I'm gonna take it inside. I gotta put the furniture inside. I gotta take it to my mother.
So all this argument is because of they want to put the furniture inside.
We just put on some nice rims on this car. We're doing tints right now. We're also gonna do a blackout. So if you guys are wondering why the blackout is not done, there's a lot of chrome on it. That's gonna go away as well. Just not today. She needs the car. She's gonna bring it back for more work. So if you guys are wondering what percentage is it, it's 20%. That's weird. I don't even know why I put on gloves. I just feel like I have to work and I gotta do something. And there's nothing to do actually, physically. I don't know why I just put on gloves though. Avik, you almost done?
Oh yeah.
You need help?
You don't do anything. Not even license plate.
Yeah, I didn't even want to say the stuff that you've done that went wrong. Because yeah, would probably.
Say it.
No, I can't. It's terrible for the world. But yeah, you're a nice guy. I don't care what they say about you. You're fine.
I love you anyway.
Yeah. Yep. Just wait until you get your paycheck. There's gonna be missing Benjamins in there. That's for sure. This week is payroll. So just wait until you tell me, hey Moses, can you go get my bonus check?
See right here.
All done now.
See right here. All the little things. I have to fix it. Thanks God, this one is no bundle, bro. It's the body kit like coming really nice. Like yeah. Oh, what kind of machines they use for do this? Only those spot the carbon fiber looks like a little
Wavy.
crap. I'm sorry. Yeah, waving. To make this one flat, we have to shoot clear, sending down, blocking, clear again 3 times, something like that, to make it flat, to make it even, don't make it waving.
Do you charge extra?
They pay, so we have to do that, you know. $3, whatever it is. See right here? It's a little waving over here.
How long till it's complete?
Well, no rush, boy. Don't ask me for how long. Because maybe
2
I
weeks?
can take 2 days, 3, 4, 2 weeks,
2
4
weeks?
months,
4 months?
2 years.
Oh man.
I don't know.
Let's see what Santos has to say about this one. So we just did a brake job on this car. Good or bad?
It's good.
It's good. Yeah, I just have to ask him. Sometimes, you know, lights and sensors. You know, even brake pad sensors. Sometimes you put them on brand new. You'll have a light. Sometimes they're defective. They don't work. So yeah.
Yeah, it happened to us before when we do the BMWs. They send different sensors.
So it could be like it could be even brand new. It doesn't matter. Even if it's from the dealer, sometimes they're defective. After a brake job, the most annoying thing is when the customers come in to pick up the car. You're on your way to a test drive, and then you have a brake pad on. That's brand new. That says brake pad wear. Makes no sense, but sometimes sensors are defective. That's what happens. But this car's a wrap. In this case, car is good. We did front and rear brake job on this Ghost this morning. It has 1 new tire, oil change and filter. Everything's good to go. Customer's on the way to pick it up.
Why 1 new tire?
If your car has 1,000 miles, 1,000 miles, and you have 1 problem on 1 tire, you're not going to replace all 3. I'll forgive you for that dumb question. It's not a dumb question, but it's okay. Don't fall. I have no insurance.
You really still know.
Someone give it to me.
Someone can give it to your
Yes. Someone
somebody-
jacked it from you and give it to me.
Somebody stole it once, then you stole it again.
No, then you gave it to me.
You're all fresh today. You know, they're specific to where they go, right?
This
Making
one,
sure you're putting the right tip in the right place.
But I put the long one on the outside and the big one on the inside.
if this is wrong, you're dead. It's stuck, Javi. You want me to heat? You want me to heat it up while you pull it?
No, no.
Why is there smoke coming out of it?
He's heating up the pipe.
Heat it up. Like,
Yeah, it's coming, Javi. You're doing it. Yeah. You got it. Go.
okay.
There you go. Yeah. Maybe they forgot to open the thing. The hose.
Oh, you need to go in more though. For some reason, I think they shipped the exhaust tips separately after 2 weeks because I think they were out of exhaust tips and I think it's like defective and we're like trying to make it work now. Something is going on for sure.
I think we can send it to Peter. Maybe they have
Peter can
the
open.
adapters to open.
No, he does. Not maybe. He does.
Okay.
Yeah.
Listen.
Pete. Gonna go on the Range Rover right now, the two-tone Range Rover that you guys saw. Santos is getting ready to get these wheels on that car right now. After the car is finished, we will show you the car. You guys will probably be a big fan of this Range Rover. It already looks good, and with these wheels on, it's gonna be really, really good. Customer is actually giving this car today as a gift. So after this car is done, we need to contact the customer to come pick it up, so the car can be delivered.
Well, what's wrong with you, bro? Be nice.
What are you doing?
Putting this inside.
What is this? Anything?
Oh.
Oh.
You put it there.
It's not on the car. It's fine.
No, you guys promised. You promised when you get the Moses, and then we'll
He's
talk about
recording.
it.
I can't stop him.
Yeah, he will blur it.
No,
You will, no?
Send me like $50.
Okay.
Alright guys, we're standing in front of this gorgeous Range Rover. This is a 2023 model. This is one of many that we've been working on already. As you can see, it has a two-tone wrap on it. Literally, the top half is the standard body color in black, and then we have this middle section of the body in the charcoal gray, and then the bottom is also black, as you can see. So it's just like the middle of the body. Normally Range Rovers, you do it from, you know, the windows down and you keep the top black. On this one, we did something a little different. Customer wanted it like this. Other than that, custom set of RDB wheels right here, 24-inch. This is a design everybody kind of commonly likes, so why not make it and offer it for our guys? Got it done really fast for him as well in about 2 weeks. This car is in low mode right now. We have not lowered it. We're gonna be doing more lowering, that kind of stuff on the Range Rover because we have the links in development because they are different than a lot of the previous generation cars. But yeah, this is actually a Moses customer build. Let us know how you rate them. I per se would have done all black wheels. Customer wanted to do something like this to show it off. If we wrap the silver in the charcoal gray, it looks cool. Or just all black, honestly. When the stock wheels were on it and they were black, it actually looked really clean. But it's not bad, honestly. It's got the Range Rover floating caps as well in the middle, just to give it that spice. And this is the long wheelbase 7-seater V8 version. So I mean, this thing over sticker, I mean, this is over $400,000 Range Rover right here behind us. So we're gonna be doing a lot more of them. We have another one at the shop. It's gonna be a stealthed out car. The wheels are coming in, so we'll show you guys that in about a week or so. But I also wanna talk about what I'm wearing. Right here is our new style of the RDB shirt. As you can see, it has the RDBLA, the checkered flag, our address. Really, really clean here. And on the back, it's really big. As you can see, it has the whole same exact logo on the back of it. Very, very clean. This is on our custom shirt. This we're gonna offer in the distressed and the regular black version. So it's online now. We don't make a ton of them, honestly, and the size runs are pretty small, so they are pretty limited. Speaking about limited, this hat right here, this was our limited edition Halloween hat. We only have a few left. It might even be gone during this video, but yeah, get on there. This is the all blacked out RDB hat we released, super limited edition. Only a few left of these right now. But yeah, this shirt in 2 colors is online now.
Wait, what?
I seen the door open and I'm like, what he about to do? He about to try to kill himself or something.
No, we're just filming this car.
Oh, okay.
He's doing a side. Everyone in the back, they have a small fit, so. Small fit.
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and